kids. My name is Grant, and this is my partner,
Jackson.
and we're going to be teaching you about Lesson 9.1, tangents. A tangent is a trigonometric function that is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the length of the adjacent side in a right triangle. The formula to find the tangent is tan times the angle equals A over B, or tan times the angle equals opposite over adjacent.
Alright, first example we have is where the angle measure at the top is 37, the opposite side is 2.1 units, and x is the adjacent side. So what we're going to do is we take the tangent of 37 equals 2.1 over x. So to get rid of the fraction, we multiply each side by x, which means that x times the tangent of 37 equals 2.1. So what we do here is divide the tangent of 37 to both sides, so the tangent of 37 cancels each other out to put x by itself, but you divide 2.1 by the tangent of 37, which if you put it in a calculator, it gives you x is about 2.8 units if you round it to the nearest tenth, and so that's what x would be. Alright, our next example shows where the angle over at the top is 51 degrees, the opposite side is x, and the adjacent side is 10 units. So what we do here is we take the tangent of 51 equals x over 10. So to get rid of the fraction, we multiply by 10 to both sides. So that means 10 times the tangent of 51 equals x. So we just put 10 parenthesis, tangent 51 outside parenthesis, and then it comes out to about 12.3 units if you round to the nearest tenth, and so that's what x would be.
For our third example, the x is the missing angle, 4 is the opposite side, and 6 is the adjacent side. So using the formula, I got tan times x equals 4 over 6. So when you multiply, or when you're trying to find the angle, you have to use the inverse of tan, which looks like tan negative 1. So x equals tan negative 1 times parentheses 4 over 6, and then other parentheses. So when you put it into your calculator, you click the second button, then tan, which creates the inverse of tan, and then you put the first parentheses, 4 over 6, and then the other parentheses. So after I did that and hit the equal sign, x is about 33.69 degrees if you round to the nearest hundred.